35 is for call 4, standby for 1. Zone 1 unit, the report of a patron who was robbed and stabbed while on board a Dublin Pleasanton bound. Currently, the train is 2.5 out of West Oakland. The victim is already off-boarded. They're standing by at Embarcadero. We're getting medical started. The suspects are described as a group of juveniles. We're still trying to get further. It occurred in the trail car.
13 code 3 from 19th.
S41, where's the victim?
The victim has off-boarded at Embarcadero station. We're getting medical started for them there.
13, Drug 13, Battalion 1, Key Medic 102, RC3. Location is the Embarcadero Bar Station, 298 Market. It's for a stabbing by the station booth. Respond to Control A1.
Control MR120, where exactly is our mission?
MR120, let me take a look 1 moment. The elevator fare gates.
Well, we don't need any code 3 response heading to West Oakland. Anyone, you can show me around to West Oakland.
10-4, all units on route to West Oakland, you are not authorized for code 3.
That's right, I copy. 40's coming upstairs to go code 3 with 41 to the victim.
10-4, and be advised the victim at Embarcadero is conscious and breathing. He's a 28-year-old Hispanic male at the booth. Per the agent, he is bleeding a little bit, but he did remain conscious.
S41, does he have any idea where the suspects got off at? Was it West Oakland or Embarcadero?
The suspects were reported to still be on the train. It's a Dublin Pleasanton bound, arriving not West Oakland. They were in the trail car.
S41, since the train is coming to West Oakland with possible suspects, a couple units can go code 3, the ones that initially responded.
1617 will be code 3.
41, we can see if the TO can come in slow, road manual into the station so that gives us our units time to get there.
S41, the train is already 97, platform 2.
For units responding to West Oakland, the suspects were described as a group of 3. There's 2 black males described as thin build wearing black clothes, and 1 Hispanic male described as heavy build wearing a gray sweater. The subject wearing the gray sweater was the one reported to have stabbed the victim, and he claimed that if the victim didn't surrender his belongings, he would keep stabbing him. Gray hoodie. The subject with the gray hoodie was the one who stabbed the victim. All subjects were described to be in their team.
Yeah, 97, we're going to stage on a conference. The subject who stabbed the victim is going to be a heavyset H&J, wearing dark jeans, light gray hoodie, armed with a red box cutter.
Tougher.
S48 to 41, can he ID? Yes, that's what we can ID.
Victim can ID. 3 suspects total. The suspect who stabbed the victim is a Hispanic male juvenile wearing a light gray hoodie and dark jeans. He was armed with a red box cutter. The other 2 subjects are described as black male juveniles wearing black clothing. They were described as thin build, and the Hispanic male is described as heavy build.
Team 10, code 33, we're making our approach upstairs. Team 10, the train's clear.
Copy, train is clear.
13, was it? Train car number associated.
Victim stated was in the trail car 3040.
Team 10, it appears that all subjects involved fled at Embarcadero. That's for it. We copy. Zone 4 will take primary. That's for it.
Go ahead.
Do you know if the train the victim was on is logged on the detail?
Affirm. 41, the case number is 1706.
Team 10, you can release government mounts. No ATO.
Affirm, will be you two out with someone. Affirm.
On 19. The third suspect is a black male. He's wearing a black hoodie with a red symbol in the middle of his chest. And then the last suspect looks like a black male. He's wearing a black hoodie, black face mask, gray sweats, white shoes. He's carrying a backpack that has red or burgundy shoulder straps, and he also has a red backpack strap across his chest area.
Affirm.